minus theta. Okay, now we do the very same thing. We look at 270 degrees minus theta. We ask ourselves this very simple question. Where is 270 degrees minus theta? The answer is it is in the third quadrant. Is tan positive or negative in the third quadrant? The answer is tan is positive there. So the results will be positive tan theta. Okay, so this is how we simplify expressions. Okay, so the very important thing is for you to identify where is the angle located on the Cartesian plane, and then after you have identified that, you look at the trig ratio that is given to you, and then you simply apply the cast rule. Okay, you determine whether that trig ratio is positive or negative in the quadrant where the angle lies. Okay, so that is basically what we do in this situation, and this is basically the value of the cast rule, so to speak, because it helps us to simplify complicated expressions like these ones. Okay, and we will see the full value of this when we are working on exam questions, because they will give us very complicated expressions, but then we will apply these reduction formulae principles on those complicated expressions, and you will marvel at how easy these principles make those simplifications to become, because you'll find out that a complicated expression is just equal to 1 or 1/2 or whatever the case is.
Hey there, please note that this was just a portion of the actual session. You can find the complete session on our YouTube channel. I have attached the link to the channel on the comment section. Go check it out. Don't forget to like, share, and follow us on all social media platforms. See you on the next